Beauty, it's a radiance of spirit, having character, kindness to ourselves and to others. It's strength and self-confidence to know that with or without makeup the real beauty is you. Part of beauty also has to be about the things that make you feel beautiful. Every girl should use what Mother Nature gave her before Father Time takes it away. Gorgeous hair is the best revenge. I heard the old men say all that's beautiful drifts away, like the waters. It is not sufficient to see and to know the beauty of a work, we must feel and be affected by it. Character contributes to beauty, it fortifies a woman as her youth fades, a mode of conduct, a standard of courage, discipline, fortitude, and integrity can do a great deal to make a woman beautiful. There is no definition of beauty, but when you can see someone's spirit coming through, something unexplainable, that's beautiful to me. We live in a wonderful world that is full of beauty, charm and adventure. There is no end to the adventures that we can have if only we seek them with our eyes open. Never lose an opportunity of seeing anything beautiful, for beauty is God's handwriting. When virtue and modesty enlighten her charms, the luster of a beautiful woman is brighter than the stars of heaven, and the influence of her power is in vain to resist. There is a kind of beauty in imperfection. Beauty is truth's smile when she beholds her own face in a perfect mirror. I don't think of all the misery but of the beauty that still remains. Life is full of beauty, notice it, notice the bumblebee, the small child, and the smiling faces, smell the rain, and feel the wind, live your life to the fullest potential, and fight for your dreams. Everything has beauty, but not everyone sees it. If the path be beautiful, let us not ask where it leads. A thing of beauty is a joy forever, its loveliness increases, it will never pass into nothingness. The best part of beauty is that which no picture can express. The beauty of a woman is not in a facial mode, but the true beauty in a woman is reflected in her soul. It is the caring that she lovingly gives, the passion that she shows. The beauty of a woman grows with the passing years. Never lose an opportunity of seeing anything beautiful, for beauty is God's handwriting.